Hello everyone, my name is Hardik Nata and I'm from CSC department of Triple IT Kota, and today I'm going to show you how to make an old man using Blender. So let's start. Firstly, we'll try to reshape this cube, and for that we'll first click on it, then click on S, then we'll reshape it along Y axis. Yes, like this. And now we are going to duplicate this object with the help of Shift plus D in order to make the head of the old man, and we are going to align it like this. Let me make it in. Yes, now it is in a straight line. So now we are going to make hands for the old man. Firstly, we'll just adjust its shape a little bit. Yes, now we are going to make the hands for it. Now we'll duplicate the cube. Firstly, let's just, now it looks great. Now we are going to duplicate the cube and try to make the arms for the old man. We'll press Shift plus G, place it here, then we'll resize it with the help of S. Yes, it looks great. Now we'll see it from the side on angle. It should be in a straight line with the body. Yes. Now we'll gonna make the legs for the old man. Again, we'll duplicate the cube, and now we are gonna make legs. Again, we'll resize it. Legs should be thin, so we'll again resize it. Little bit upwards now. Now we'll just move it little bit backwards. Yes, it looks good now. Now we are going to make hands. For that we'll add another cube. Then again we'll resize it. We'll make a small cube sized hands. Let me just arrange it. Now it looks good. Yes, we'll make it a little bit upwards. Yes, now we'll make the shoes for the man. Again we'll do the same procedure. This is looking great. We are gonna now make two. Again we'll add the cube. We'll resize it. Now in the form of a cuboid, we are gonna make the shoes for the old man. It should be long, so we'll resize it along y-axis. little bit forward. Yes, it looks better now. Now we are going to mirror the objects. For example, like we'll firstly select this. Now we are going to go to modify option. Add modifier. Now choose mirror. Now from the drop, we are going to select the cube so that it mirrors alongside it. Again, we'll do the same procedure for this. We'll select the cube. It gets mirrored. Now for the legs, add modifier, mirror. Now we'll do this for the shoes as well. We'll select the shoes. Again, yes. Now it looks good. Yes. Now we are going to make the ears for the old man. So again, we are going to add a cube. We'll reshape it and make it like a long rod. Let's make it a little bit smaller, and little bit longer. Now again, it is a little bit broader, so we are gonna make it small. Now we are going to arrange it beside the head. Let's make it to center. It looks better now. Now we are gonna go into edit mode. Then we are going to toggle the view for the small object so that we can view it in bigger part. We are going to give this a shape of ear so that it looks like an ear. Now we are going to extrude this downwards as well. Yes. Now let's go to back to object mode and then back to the normal camera mode. And we have to resize it. We are going to resize it so that it looks like ears. Again a little bit smaller. Yes, it looks better now. Now it looking like an ear. Now we are going to add a cube so that we can add a nose as well. We will again resize it. Now we'll make a long rectangular nose. We'll resize it along z axis. Let's place it symmetrically in the between. Yes. Now let's just move it forward. And give it a little bit bump. Again in the middle. It looks great now. So now we'll go to edit mode again to make it a bit realistic. And now we are going to add loop cuts. It will make the work easier for editing. Now we are going to make loop cut in the between. Now in the 3/4 part. Yes. Now we are going to extrude the region behind like this. It looks more of a nose now. Now we again go to object mode. Make the eyes. Again we'll add a cube. We'll resize it. We are gonna place it so that it looks like an eye. Again forward. Leave a little bit bump. Now it looks great. Now again we'll add an in order to make a eyeball. Let's resize it again. Place it in the between. And we'll make it forward and will leave a little bit bump. Yes, it should be in the middle. It looks good. It looks better now. Now we are going to mirror it along the nose with the same procedure. Select mirror, and from the pointer we'll select the nose. It will get mirrored. Now for the eyeball as well, we'll select it, add modifier, mirror. Like this. Now we are gonna make the mouth for the old man. Again we'll add a cube. We'll make it smaller. We'll move it below the nose. Again we'll make it smaller. Let me just now we'll resize it, make it a little bit smaller. Make it forward. Yes. Again in the middle. Looks better now. Now we're going to edit mode. Again we'll try and make this a small cube inside of this. It's like this. Now we'll try to make a torch so that he'll hold it in his hands. Firstly, let's zoom in. Now we'll add a cylinder so that the torch will get its shape. We'll scale it, we'll make it smaller. Now we'll rotate it 90 degrees. Let's go from side on view. Now we'll rotate it 90 degrees. We'll place it near the hands of the man. Let's make it bigger. Yes. Now we'll make it more closer to the hand. Closer to the hand. Now we'll go to edit mode. Then we'll select the first face. We'll try to extrude the face. Let me select the extrude option first. Now we'll extrude it forward. Now with the now pressing S, we'll resize it, make it bigger. Yes, like this. Length of the torch looks smaller, so we'll make it longer. We'll select the object, we'll rescale it. We'll make it longer. We'll move it a little bit forward. Yes. Now it looks like he's holding the torch. So yeah, we have completed the old man. It looks really good. I'll show you from different angles. Yes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it.